Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making chicken paratha roll. Now let's start. For filling I am using 150 grams of chicken boneless cubes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now mix well and marinate for 20 minutes. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add marinated chicken. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, it's done. Take out from the pan. For paratha, add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 pinch of salt, 1 egg. Now mix well. Add warm water and knead dough for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's done. Now leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take dough and make a ball. Take a ball and coat into flour from both sides. And roll with roller. In a hot pan, add paratha and cook. Now turn the side. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Turn the sides and cook on medium flame. Turn the side and cook. Now it's done. For filling, add mayonnaise and spread. Add chicken. Add cabbage. Add cucumber slices. Add onion slices. Add tomato ketchup. Now roll it. Chicken paratha roll is ready to eat. Try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.